Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on profile. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign here, click on this sign. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then it's going to show for you this list. Click on settings here. Then you come to this list. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click on notification filter. Then you come to this list here. So then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you come here to likes of your comments, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here likes of your comments enable with us now. So then you go up positive, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.